the washer stops spinning or draining, you may not need to call for repair. A simple factory reset can correct many common washer problems in just a few minutes and often restores normal operation. This reset works on Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag washers and does not require tools or technical experience. If the reset does not fix the issue, refer to the linked video that explains washer error codes and what to do next. Factory reset instructions. Step 1. With the washer powered off, rotate the control dial counterclockwise 1 full turn. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right again. Flashing lights confirm diagnostic mode. Step 3. While the lights are flashing, turn the dial 4 additional clicks to the right and press start. Step 4. Wait several minutes. If the washer shuts off and the lid unlocks, the reset was successful.